Hey everyone, let's go into what I got for this little Halloween boo basket. So the first item I have here is a little pumpkin painting kit. The next thing I have here is a box of Halloweeny cookies from Trader Joe's. Honestly, I've tried these before and they're pretty good but also really sweet. But anyway, on to the next item is this booklet of Halloween stickers. I thought these were really cute and I feel like nothing really awakes your inner child like stickers do. But speaking of inner child, I also decided to get some cute balloons that we could maybe like put up on a wall or play with. Alright, so Chris and I had literally just been reminiscing about M&Ms that come in the little pop bottles, if you know what I mean. So when I saw these Halloween themed ones at Target, I could not pass. But also the last item for the boo basket, I got a pumpkin scented candle. This one specifically is called a pumpkin cinnamon roll scent from Yankee Candle, and honestly pumpkin candles are literally like Chris's personality trait at this point. Like this had to make it in here. But those are all the items. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Bruh. Bruh.
Chris is parked and the balloons are not sticking, so change of plans. They're just gonna sit on the table like that. I think that looks pretty Halloween-y. Don't you?